Hi guys, welcome back to BeautyWithTy. So today's video I will be showing you guys how I achieve these box braids here. They are going down to an ombre style, so if you like to see, just keep watching, girl. Okay, do you see these edges? Instant box braids. 1 hour later. Okay, y'all, I'm doing a nice deep conditioner treatment. Really wash this out, but before I wash this out, I want to show you guys, you know, pretty much how I prep my hair before my protective style. Okay, my protective style in a bag. Okay, she a little heavy, she got a little weight on her, so this is what she looks like. And y'all, I already made my roots dark because this was way whiter. It comes with the edges braided up as well. And these braids are like so nice and neat. So neat. Like a honey blonde ombre to the ends. So it's like black, then brown, then goes into this honey blonde color. I will have to dip my ends. They say dip your ends prior to installing it. I'm ready to go ahead and boil some water, wash my hair, cornrow my hair, so I can slap this bad boy on. My 2 locks, they still here, standing strong. Okay, I'm talking too much, but y'all ain't got nothing else to do, right? I hope y'all are staying in. I'm staying in for the most part. All I do is go to the grocery store when I need and the post office. That's it. Okay, so you guys, as you can see, I did go ahead and dip my ends. They are fairly dry. I waited like 20 minutes. And I also went ahead and cut off my lace, as you can see here. And this is my second time working with this company, so I'll make sure I leave the first video link down below. So come in. And it's not too heavy. It does have like some weight on it, but not too heavy. You have combs, everything. Pretty sure you can do this as a glueless unit, but I will be using some bold hold today because we're gonna make sure this thing stay. Here's my bold hold I will be using. Okay guys, so right here I'm just adjusting the wig, make sure I line it up to where I will be adding the glue. And right here I'm also adding in the hair clips that are on the wig. You have one on each side in the front of the wig. And I'm adding in the clips now just so that when I do glue on the wig, the weight of the wig is not pulling back the wig with the glue, if that makes sense. I want to make sure the clips are in so that the wig won't shift, and then the weight of the wig, which is really not even that heavy, but the little weight that is with the wig is not pulling on the lace in the front where the glue would be. So make sure you are putting your combs. That will be helpful as well. Let's push that back. It is best if you put on a cap, but I ain't got time for that today. Like, some of the glue is getting on my hair, but I'll just make sure I soak it with a lot of alcohol, and then it's just gonna slide off. Pour this bad boy on down. Okay, press everything down. And y'all see the baby hair is very minimal, like that's great. I'm gonna be plucking some hair out so that the edge, my edge is not gonna be like, they're gonna kind of be more natural. So that's how we're gonna get it natural. And before, I'm gonna go ahead and take some makeup, too light, so it looks really good and so natural, and it's really not heavy on my head. I did 2 layers of glue. I do have my combs in, so the edges are already thin, but I'm like making them even thinner. Cut them down. Take my Got to Be Glue Free spray. Okay, Sorry, y'all. I don't even know if I was talking, but I'm using gel, the Got to Be Glue gel. And I just rub it all over like that. And it's working out way better than the spray. Smooth that way, okay? And then we can keep this sheet right here. How low can you go? Bam. Okay, did you see these edges? Instant box braids. And the color is actually really pretty too. Alright guys, so that's all for this video. Yes, this is a braided wig that I received from Neatandsleek. Y'all, this braided wig is to die for, so make sure you click the link down below so that you can go and purchase their wig. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this wig and if you were fooled and really thought that this was braids that I did on my own hair. So yeah, you guys definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video, and until next time, I'll see you guys. I love you. Be safe out here. Wash your hands, and I'll see you next time.